Hello friend, this is Poonam Dandare, Assistant Professor of Department of Information Technology of Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering Technology, Nagpur. In this session, we will see the first unit, that is the wireless sensor network, that is the characteristics and design challenges and future of WSN. So first, that is the characteristics of wireless sensor network. So wireless sensor network mainly consists of a sensors node, that is they are low power, limited memory and energy constraint due to their small size. Why? Because sensor nodes are low power, because they are dynamic in nature. Sensor nodes are basically in dynamic nature. They are not a static. They move from one position to another position and they can rotate in the network, so they are low energy power. So we can give the battery by using the sync node. We provide the battery by using the sync node in the wireless sensor network. So wireless sensor network mainly consists of the many different components, of which a sensor node is an important yet small part. The characteristics of a good wireless sensor networks include power efficiency, scalability, responsiveness, reliability and mobility. A wireless sensor network with these features can prove to be very beneficial, and if not followed or ensured can result in a network that suffers from overhead, thus negation its applicability. So wireless sensor networks are the low power in nature, limited memory and energy constraints. So wireless sensor networks can also be deployed in extreme environmental condition and may be prone to enemy attack. Although deployed in an ad hoc manner, they need to self-organized and self-healing and can face constant reconfigurations. So just ठीक है, these are the some characteristics. So first is the power efficiency. As the name, mobility is the network ability to handle mobile nodes and changeable data path. The next is the design challenges. So first is the heterogeneity, distributed processing and low bandwidth communication. So heterogeneity means that is a device deployed may be of various types and need to collaborate with each other. In distributed processing, the algorithm need to be centralized and the processing is carried out on different nodes. And in third is that is the low bandwidth communication. The data should be transferred efficiently between sensors. In wireless sensor network, the architecture is like that is the sensor nodes can communicate with the cluster heads. Two sensor nodes are not communicate with each other, but the sensor nodes can communicate with the cluster heads. If any event is occurred, sensor nodes can gather the data in the form of table and they can send data to the cluster heads in the form of signals, and that cluster heads send to the particular base station. So this is all about the design challenges. Next is the large scale coordination, that is the sensor needs to coordinate with each other to produce required result. That is sensor nodes can communicate with each other also if they required. It's not a mandatory, but if they required they can communicate with each other. Next is the utilization of sensors. The sensor should be utilized in a ways that produce the maximum performance and use less energy. In this sensor nodes we use the two types, that is the listening modes and sleep mode. We cannot active all the nodes at a time. We can just communicate and we can just, if we are hundreds nodes, then we have 50 nodes in a listening mode and 50 nodes in a sleep mode. So this is the general way to organize the sensor nodes. Third is the real-time computation. The computation should be done quickly as new data is always being generated. Next, that is the operational challenges of wireless sensor network. Energy efficiency, limited storage and computation, low bandwidth and high error rates. Errors are common, that is the wireless communication, noisy measurement, node failures are expected. Scalability to a large number of sensor nodes, survivability in harsh environments, experiment are time and space intensive. So this is the operational challenges of wireless sensor network. Next is the enabling technologies. We are using the three technologies. First is the embedded, second is the network, and third is the sensing. So in embedded numerous distributed device to monitor and interact with physical world. In network device to coordinate and perform higher level tasks. In sensing, tightly coupled to physical world. This is all about the enabling technology. Future of WSN, the future of WSN is what? That is we use the sensor nodes in a smart home and smart office. Sensors controlling appliances and electrical devices in the house, better lighting and heating in office buildings. The Pentaning building has used sensor extensively. We can also use in a future, that is in a biomedical and medical, that is health monitors, chronic diseases and hospital disease. In a military, we can use in also military, that is the remote deployment of sensors for tactical monitoring of enemy troop movements. We can use in a also military appliance or in a military futures. So this is all about the military, that is the industrial and commercial, numerous industrial and commercial appliances, that is the agriculture crop conditions, inventory tracking, in process part tracking, automated problem reporting, RFID, that is the theft and customers trading, plant equipment maintenance monitoring. This is the all about the industrial and commercial future plant. Next is the traffic management and monitoring. We can use the sensors by control or to manage the traffic. That is the future cars could use wireless sensors to handle accident, handle thefts. Sensors embedded in the roads to monitor traffic flows, provide real-time route updates. So this is all about the future plan of WSN. So thank you.